Welcome to Side Hustles from Canada. In today's video, I will show you how to upload designs on mugs like a pro. One of the most common mistakes I see people making is only putting the designs on one side of the mug, leaving the other side blank. This can make the mug look incomplete and might turn away potential buyers. We are here on Redbubble and here I will show you few examples. So in this example you can see the design is on the front side and the back side of the mug is empty or it's simply blank. I will share some more examples. This is another example. Here you can see the design. It's neither on the front side nor on the back side, and that was the final image. And here you can see the alignment of the design. It's out of proportion. We'll see another example. Here you can see the design is again on the front side of the mug and the back side is completely blank. So first I will show you the most common practice on print on demand, that is uploading a single design file across all the products. While this might work for t-shirts, but it often doesn't look good on mugs, especially if it's not a pattern design. So now I'm going to upload a design on Redbubble, and the purpose of showing this is to tell you guys what things you should avoid while uploading a design on a mug. This is a typographic design, and later in this video I will show you how I created this design on Canva. What I have done is I simply uploaded a single file across all the products, and I will show you how it will appear on the mug. Here I am aligning the design, and I have uploaded my design, and here you can see that. Now you can clearly see our design is not on the front side, it's not on the back side, and if you will do the same thing, that's how your mug will appear. So you should avoid this. You should never upload a single file across all the products. You have to upload a separate file for the mugs. So now I'm going to show you another option. We have another option that is for patrons. If you click on the first one, the first option, your design will appear on both sides of the mug. It's on the front side and on the back side. And now I will show you, if you will click the first option, how your design will appear. And here you can see it appeared on the front side and on the back side, but there is the alignment of this design is not correct. So now all you have to do is to simply go on Google. Here we will write the dimensions of the mug, and it will give us 1624 into 2700 pixels. Now you will go to the Canva, and all you have to do is simply go to custom designs. We have the option of custom designs. Here we will click on this option, and here I want to show you another mistake. Here if you will write it like 1624 in the width section and 2700 in the height section, this is what you get. You will get a vertical template. So again you have to go in the resize option, and you have to write in the width section 2700, and in the height section you have to write 1624. By doing that, now we will have a horizontal template. I have changed the color of the template so you will see how exactly it will look like. Now I have uploaded the design that I have created. I have made 3 versions of this design. Now all you have to do is to simply select the design. Whenever you select a design on Canva, you will see an option of duplicate. Here I duplicate the design, and I place the design on one side of the template and copy it on the other side of the template. You have to resize your image again and again. Here one thing you have to Note it down that once you download this design and when you will go to Redbubble and you will see if it's not right, again you have to come back to Canva and you have to resize your image. This is the first method. I will show you another method of to upload a design on the mugs. Here you can see the replace image option. From here you can upload a separate file for the mugs. Now I will show you how I created this design on Canva. You can see the alignment of the design, it's pretty well. Here you will go to the custom size option and you will write 4500 into 5400 px. Then in the element section you will write frames and you can specifically write H, O, P and E, and that's what you get. Now in the element section we will write splash of colors and we will fill these alphabets with those colors. You have so many options. You can choose any kind of color you like. Make sure it will be visible. You can remove an image if you don't like it. After this I will go in the element section again and I will write flowers. Then all you have to do is simply align flowers, and around each alphabet you can also write leaves, whatever you like, and all you have to do is to align those elements around your alphabets. This is a very simple design, yet a very creative one. So now again you will go to the resize option. Here you will resize your image as I show you. You have to write 2700 into 1624. Now we will download our design, and here you can see the canvas showing me that I have made 1500 designs so far. Whenever you reach a milestone, it always show you messages like this. Okay, so as you are watching, this is the hope design on the mug template. I uploaded this design on the mug and it didn't appear well. Whenever you upload a design on a mug, it depends on the type of design. You have to change the design size, you have to resize your image. Sometimes you have to change the placement of the design on the template. I will share two screenshots with you in which I will show you when I upload this design it didn't appear well. This is an edited video. So I changed the placement of the design. On the right side you are seeing this is the wrong method of uploading this design. I will show you the right method of uploading the design. You have to place your design on the right side, and on the left side I pushed it more towards the left side, and this is the right method. I will show you how this design will appear on the mug. So this is our final look. Here you can see how our design is perfectly aligned on the mug. This is the front side, the back side, and I hope you like today's video. If you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. If you like today's video you can subscribe my channel as well. Thank you for watching.